Ready to breathe new life into your old iPhone videos? Let's unlock the power of Topaz Video Enhance AI with this clever workaround. First, head over to the Topaz Labs website and download Topaz Photo AI. Don't worry, there's a free trial, so you can test it out before committing. Install it on your computer, whether it's a Mac or PC. Now, grab your iPhone and head to the App Store. Search for Remote Desktop. We'll be using Microsoft Remote Desktop. It's free and reliable. Download and install the app. Back on your computer, launch Topaz Photo AI and import the iPhone video you want to enhance. Play around with the settings to get the look you desire. Focus on the resolution, noise reduction, and sharpening sliders. On your iPhone, open the Remote Desktop app. Add your computer as a new connection. You'll need your computer name or IP address and your user account credentials. You might need to enable remote desktop access on your computer through system settings. Once connected, you'll see your computer screen mirrored on your iPhone. You can now remotely control Topaz Photo AI, start the export process, and let Topaz do its magic. Remember, your computer is doing the heavy lifting. This process does take some time depending on the length of your video and your computer's processing power, but it will be worth it when your video is done. That's it. You've successfully used Topaz Video Enhance AI for your iPhone videos. Now you can enjoy your memories in amazing quality.